Waiting.
Wahala be like Dangote Dubai. You know the cover
I
yash.
swear.
You know the cover yash.
Now all these small girls now, all these small girls for this country, they go just dey find big men where they go bring down. You know what this man don't work hard today where in the he dey follow Dangote, he won't bring them down. You know they to bring Dangote down, he go take.
He Dangote.
You know what they don't get wisdom.
You get wisdom.
But all this way they talk, you know, say me, I dey get target to be one of the richest man. See this James Bezos have been waiting. I want beating record. So that my 500K, I go need them. I take Adam for my account.
Not be say I not pay you the 500K, but I just want me our friendship remain because I know this since I don't owe you that money, you ask after me. You even pray for my long life.
Now my money I need. Nobody like anybody like that. Say, you know, if you give me that 500K, now this guy give me my 150 when they own. Now 650. I don't need.
What?
I don't. Yes. Now I won't beat that record.
But I'm not trying. What hard though? What hard?
I go make calm.
Your focus on the richest man, your family.
My family. Let me get money past even my papa. Now me get my papa so they call me bros.
But you don't achieve. You can die now. You know what
oh, but you go give me my 500K.
You know what to be word? When you try to beat world record, now you know the difference between length times breadth. Baba, what big oh? People there Yugoslavia or Zimbabwe oh.
I go make am. Who be this one?
Oh, well, they get some kind of nice boxers here for see now.
You get nice with
You understand with better elasticity. You understand? Boxers.
Come sit that rubbish. Sit that rubbish.
Where you from?
Sit that rubbish.
How old you dey?
No, my number reach score right now.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
22 years. You dey sell boxers.
All of us there now.
How many boxers? How much be gain for? How many boxers you go sell? Take buy one bag of cement.
It's rough now.
Keep quiet. This is how you want to live your life?
Imagine.
Keep of this day.
They sell boxers. You wear boxers. You sell boxers for daytime. You rob for night.
They are thieves.
They find people where you rob.
Shut up! You are spying. You are spying the area.
You sell boxer. This popular boxer. What's his name? Where even the president congratulate him for making the nation proud. That one they sell boxer. They make the nation proud. You they sell boxers.
I get singlet. If you know that.
Rubbish.
Men, we know they wear boxers now. Pants.
You guess. Even if you be artist, who go let you sing? you get singlet. Who you get out of here?
Selling boxers at all.
Talk about how to beat billionaire record. I pity for you.
Is this how you want to? Why boys be like this?
I want distract us. Well, my 500K, I beg. You guys give me that money. Make I just. You understand?
We all they quarrel about this. Finish. You all they shout 500.
Now who? Then nobody they owe you now. Now who they owe me now?
Again. I hate boxers. I wear pants.
Yes, now. Not be children they wear boxers. They go see Sagam. You say boxers. You say singlet. You say belt. Which of them you they wear? How many years is Davido?
Rubbish marketer.
Davido will be say 22 years since 1990.
No, that one
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening,
How
beautiful
are you?
lady.
Fine. Please, can I have a minute of your time?
Our time.
We don't do it with our time.
With our
Yeah, we are
time.
very hopeless people.
We have the whole time in the world.
We have our time.
Please
I have
shift.
some
Let's
goods for
so that motor will not jam you. What do you sell?
My
But,
sister,
sir,
you are a timetable.
Wow.
She's a timetable.
You sell say bring them, we buy. I don't even have singlets. How much are all of that?
Is this all you sell?
Who buy? What else do you sell, my sister?
I don't care to know what you sell. Anything you are doing, we buy.
Is this all you sell?
Yeah.
You don't sell
Where's your warehouse?
you don't sell dog food, you don't sell cars.
Where's your warehouse?
Sell things.
Where? Your warehouse, Sapler Road.
Yeah.
we will come there, we'll buy everything.
All your other
Yeah.
you see, are they like you? Are they?
You don't sell woman, you don't
They all
sell
like
people
you.
like you're not for sale.
You see what I like about her?
Yeah.
She's innovative, highly creative,
It's very hard to see a girl this beautiful
telling me?
and she's doing something honorable.
very diligent.
Yes, taking her time, sell boxers, small.
Look at what she says. Look at her goods.
You need to sell more things, my sister. You need to say you sell.
See,
woman
I don't
beings.
know. This bag I also buy it.
Yes.
No, they say boxers with the
This
sell
boy
now.
again.
No, they say boxers. No, they say company with for corn.
Now Google kill you. Shut up your back. Now Google kill you. Now Google kill you. For this business transaction now when you don't stop. Look at what you are carrying. Look at what she's carrying. Can you compare what you said to what she says?
You sell boxer. Can your boxer be this arranged? Okay. What's your business strategy? Just enter people, make them buy boxers.
You never see my own boxers.
We don't want to see it. Because if you continue like you will be poor in life. Yeah! You will be poor in life. If you keep interrupting business between businessmen and marketers that knows their onions, you will be poor in life.
Will you get out here?
My sister, can I buy him?